Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today, as a part of our assignment, we are going to discuss the key based on the lesson, The Sound of Music. Let me read the questions and explain the answers. Question number 1. Why was the musical instrument named Shehnai? The musical instrument was first played in the Shah's chamber and was played by a nai. So, this instrument was named Shehnai. So, why was the musical instrument named as Shehnai? Means Shehnai, it's played in the Shah's chamber. Shah means the king, Shah. And it was played by a nai. Nai means barber. So, the Hindi word for that came as the musical instrument as Shehnai. Second question. Describe Bismillah Khan as a boy in Duniyaron. As a boy, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Danda near a pond at Dumon. After that, he would go to Biharji temple and sang Bhojpuri Chaita. The local Maharaja was pleased to hear him sing. So here, describe Bismillah Khan as a boy in Duniyaron. So as a boy, he used to play Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda, you know, small stick and a long stick. And he used to play near the pond, Dumon. After that, he would go to Biharji temple and sang Bhojpuri songs, that is named as Chaita. The local Maharaja, when he heard his songs or music, he was pleased to hear him sing. The next question. What prize did boy Bismillah Khan earn? Why was he given this prize? Bismillah Khan earned a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. He was given this prize by the local Maharaja. Bismillah Khan earned this prize for singing the Bhojpuri Chaita at the Biharji temple. So when he played that Bhojpuri Chaita at the Biharji temple, the Maharaja was so pleased that he called him and he gave a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. That was the prize he got. 15th August 1947. The first Independence Day was the happiest day of his life. Why? On the first Independence Day, Bismillah Khan played the Shehnai at the ramparts of the Red Fort in Delhi. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru had invited him to play the Shehnai there. It was a great honor for him. So, it was the happiest day of his life. When India got independence in 1947, August the 15th, he got a chance to play the Shehnai at the ramparts of the Ghats of Red Fort of Delhi in Delhi. And Prime Minister invited him to play. When he got that opportunity, he thought that it was the happiest day in his life. Why is Bismillah Khan so attached to the Ganga, means the Ganges? Bismillah Khan is greatly attached to the Ganga and spent his childhood playing and practicing Shehnai on its banks. He gets inspiration from the Ganga. He cannot imagine his life to be happy if he is away from her. He loves the Ganga very much. Here Bismillah Khan was so attached to Ganga. In English we call the Ganges. And he got some inspiration to play his Shehnai sitting on the banks of the Ganga. For him, without Ganga, his life is not happy. That's why he loves the Ganga very much. Question number 6. Why did Aurangzeb do to the playing of Pungi in his royal residence? What did Aurangzeb do to the playing of Pungi in his royal residence? Aurangzeb banned the playing of Pungi in his royal residence. So what do you understand by Pungi? A long, shallow pipe where they have to play, and it used to have a very shrill sound. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of Pungi in his royal residence? Aurangzeb banned the playing of pungi in his royal residence because he did not like its shrill, unpleasant sound. It gives, the pungi gives a very shrill, loud sound. So Aurangzeb did not like that shrill sound of the pungi. That's why he banned to play in his royal residence. Which family did the barber belong to? He belonged to a family of professional musicians. The barbers belong to a family of professional musicians. I hope, children, you have noted all these questions in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice time.